What if tonight, you looked up at the sky, and the moon was falling? Not drifting. Not moving slowly. Falling. Directly toward Earth. At 11,000 miles per hour. Scientists have a number for this. The Roche limit. It's the invisible boundary around Earth. Cross it, and the moon begins to die. The moon is currently 238,855 miles away. Safe. Stable. Locked in perfect orbit. But what if something pushed it? A massive asteroid impact. A gravitational anomaly. A force we never saw coming. The moon starts moving. Toward us. And there is absolutely nothing we can do. Let's break down exactly what happens. Hour by hour. Day by day. Until the end. Day 1. Nobody notices at first. The moon looks the same. But deep inside NASA, alarms are already going off. Orbital calculations are wrong. The moon has shifted 0.3 degrees off its normal path. Engineers stare at screens. Run the numbers again. And again. The result doesn't change. The moon is moving toward Earth. Day 3. Now people start to notice. The moon looks bigger. Slightly. But enough. Social media explodes. Scientists go on television trying to stay calm. But their eyes tell a different story. The tides are already changing. Oceans that normally rise 3 feet are now rising 15 feet. Coastal cities are already flooding. New York, Mumbai, Tokyo, London. All underwater within 72 hours. Day 7. The moon is now twice its normal size in the sky. You can see it in the middle of the day. Massive. Orange. Getting closer every hour. The tidal forces are now so strong that earthquakes are happening everywhere. Not small ones. Magnitude 8. Magnitude 9. Every single day. Volcanoes that haven't erupted in thousands of years are waking up. The ground is literally cracking open. Day 14. The moon crosses the Roche limit. And something terrifying begins. The moon starts breaking apart. Slowly at first. Then faster. Giant chunks of rock, some the size of entire countries, begin raining down toward Earth. Each impact creates an explosion bigger than every nuclear weapon ever built. Combined. Day 21. There is no more sky. Just a ring of debris. Fire. And rock. Like Saturn's rings. Except made of what used to be our moon. Temperatures on Earth's surface reach 3,000 degrees. The oceans begin to boil. The atmosphere is burning. Every living thing on the surface is gone. But here is the part that will keep you awake tonight. Scientists believe this has already happened. 4.5 billion years ago. A planet the size of Mars collided with early Earth. The debris from that collision formed the moon. The very moon that protects us today. The moon that controls our tides. That stabilizes our axis. That makes life on Earth even possible. Without the moon, Earth would tilt so wildly on its axis that one side would freeze. The other would burn. And complex life would never have existed. So next time you look up at the moon, remember what it really is. Not just a rock in the sky. It's a shield. It's a stabilizer. It's the reason you are alive right now. And the day it falls is the day everything ends. If this video changed how you see the moon, you already know what to do. The next video is waiting for you. And trust me, it's even more terrifying than this one.